Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to your social science class. Hope you are doing well. Dear students, our today's topic is about mountains. Well, dear students, a mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface. The mountains may have a small summit and a broad base. It is considerably higher than the surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds. As you go higher, the climate becomes colder. As is the saying, the higher you go, the cooler it is. Okay? Yes. In some mountains, there are permanently frozen rivers of ice. They are called glaciers. There are some mountains you cannot see as they are under the sea. Because of harsh climate, less people live in the mountain areas. Since the slopes are steep, less land is available for farming. Dear students, mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. Many mountain systems consist of a series of parallel ranges extending over hundreds of kilometers. The Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes are mountain ranges of Asia, Europe, and South Africa, respectively, as you can see in figure 5.1 of your textbook. Dear students, mountains vary in their heights and shape. There are three types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains, and the volcanic mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli Range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain systems in the world. The range has considerably worn down due to the process of erosion. The Appalachians in the North America and the Ural Mountains in Russia have rounded features and low elevation. They are very old mountains. So this is the example of fold mountains. Now block mountains. Dear students, the block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as hosts, and the lowered blocks are called graben. The Rhine Valley and the Vosges Mountain in Europe are examples of such mountain systems. Locate them on the world map in the atlas and find out some more examples of this type of landforms. Now here is the figure 6.3. It is a figure depicting a block mountain. You can see the host and graben there. Dear students, there is another type of mountains which are called volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fujiyama in Japan are examples of such mountains. Dear students, mountains are very useful. The mountains are a storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers in the mountains. Reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. The river valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forests provide fuel, fodder, shelter, and other products like gum, resins, etc. Mountains provide an uh, idyllic site, idyllic site for forests. Sorry, mountains provide an idyllic site for tourists. So tourists have many beautiful sights to see in the mountains, and they visit there. They visit the mountains for their scenic beauty. Several sports like paragliding, hand gliding, river rafting, and skiing are popular in the mountains. Can you name some places in the Himalayas associated with these sports? Now, uh, I hope you can answer this question. We have a very famous hill station in Gulmarg, where every year winter sports are held, and the participants come from all over the world to take part in the winter games there in the high altitude mountains. So we conclude it here. Thank you very much.